Hi everyone, welcome to today's product demo. So for today's session, I will be showing you how to simplify your left menu. All right, this is what I mean by simplifying your left menu. So as you can see here, at times with these different options you see on your left menu bars, left menu options, it can be a bit confusing. So for today's session, I'll show you how to minimize it, how to simplify it, and on the second half of this video, I will explain to you what are the business value and estimated effort. So if you go to project, if you select one of this project, and if you go to one of the tickets, you will see this title here: business value, estimated effort, and real effort. So on the second half of this session, I'll be explaining one of these different aspects. All right. Now, without further ado, let's begin. Let's start off with the simplification of your left menu. So like I said earlier, at times with these different topics, with these different aspects, it can be a bit confusing for project managers. All right. Say, if your project is very simple, it's not that complex, you want to make things simple. You want to make your life simple. So how do you simplify your left menu? Very easy. You just go to this, your workspace, Qanban. All right, click on edit, and you will see this title: menu visibility options. All right, now if you unselect clients and you click save, what will happen is if you click on management, you will no longer see client. All right. Now, if you were to select other aspects as well, say portfolio and programs, and you click save, you will now no longer see portfolio and programs, just project under management. Okay. It goes the same as well for role and department. So say you feel that role and department is unnecessary, all right, it's redundant. So you just unselect, untick departments and roles, click on save, and you no longer see department and role. Yep. So looks cool, right? Now, the reason why we come up with this, like I've said earlier, like I've explained earlier, at times probably your project's nature is not that sophisticated, it's not that complex. All right. You want things to be easy. So, you get to customize your management and your organization according to the nature of your project, whether it's, complex, then yeah, you can select clients, you can select portfolios. If your project is, just a simple one, you just need to manage project, then yeah, just untick all of these options given to you. All right. So you have been given the option to, play around with the complexity of your left side menu. All right. Sounds cool. All right, let's continue with the next segment. So for the next segment, I'll be explaining business value and estimated effort. So if you go to management and go to project, okay, like I've showed you earlier, when you click on one of the ticket here, all right, you get to see this business value, estimated effort, and real effort. Now, do you know that actually you can make this as a mandatory option? What do I mean by that? So say if there is no value here, all right, you cannot actually save this ticket. Yeah, what do I mean by that? Okay, to show you this, let's go back and create a new project. So let's name this project as project 2.0. All right, and project details, let me just quickly select these details. I want Ali to be the manager. Probably I want Team Alpha to manage this project. And yep, by the way, this process is what we call project creation. So I've discussed this in our previous video. Kindly watch our previous video on how to create a new project. All right, I will not explain project creation in detail for this video because I've explained it in our previous video. So please watch that video. All right. So now let's go down to business value and effort. See, you get an option to pick either optional or mandatory for business value. It goes the same as well for effort. You get to pick either optional or mandatory. So let's see what happens when you click mandatory for business value and mandatory for effort. So once you've picked mandatory for effort, you got to pick either day or finance. Okay, what do I mean by that? So the effort here, I would mean the estimated effort that you are about to exert for this particular project. So say for instance, you are expecting probably 5 days to complete this one effort. Sorry, this one project, this one task. All right. So you select days and you just key in 5 days. All right. Estimated effort 5 days. Now, upon reaching the fifth day of this particular task, you will get to tell whether you have completed this task or not. All right. So is your estimation correct? Yeah, that's the purpose of uh, this menu here, this aspect here, the effort and the business value. When you select mandatory as a project manager, once you've selected mandatory for these two aspects, whoever that's updating the particular ticket will have to key in their expectations. All right. And eventually, by the end of the stipulated deadline, you get to tell whether you could complete this particular task, this one task on time. If you can't complete it on time, then yes, you get to do more investigation. If you get to complete it on time, then you get to do more investigation and understand why you could complete this task on time. Probably it's one of your teammate who could contribute well to the team. So you get to tell these stories. All right. So let's create this project, and we'll see what happened. Apologies. Just give me a minute again. Let me just create this again. Definition, there's no client. Manager, I would like Ali to be the manager. Team Charlie. And yeah, let's select mandatory and click save. Now let's see what happens. So earlier, when you saw the project without sorry, not without, with the business value and estimated effort selected as optional, you don't see any value given. All right. But for now, for this case, all right, because it is selected as mandatory, you will see that for business value, it will start off with 0. So at any time, if you remove this value and you close it and you reopen it, the value will always remain 0. All right. You have to key in a value for this ticket. All right. Say for instance, business value, you are expecting this business to worth around 3,000 US dollar. All right. Estimated effort, you might need 7 days to complete this task. Real effort, you might need real effort. You key in real effort once the task has been completed. So you are estimating this task to be completed on the seventh day. All right. So by the seventh day, if this is not completed, you get to tell why this task is not completed. You get to understand why this is not done. All right. So you save this, and yep, the value has been saved. All right. Okay. Got it. So this is how the business value and the estimated effort works. Okay. So that's it for today. I've covered how to simplify your left menu and the aspects of business value and estimated effort. So if you have further inquiries, if you have any questions you'd like to ask, please feel free to contact us. By the end of this video, I will be sharing you our company's email address. So if you have any question, just shoot us an email, and we're more than willing to help you out. All right. Yep. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching through this video, and we will see you in our next video. Goodbye.